In this video, we will cover label printing function in Axacute. There will be times where the information on your label is fading, or the label is lost. You can use this function to reprint a new label with the same information to replace the old one. At the home page, click on the Print Label button. You can select the types of the label to reprint. For my case, I am going to reprint a PO receipt label. Fill in the information required by the Axacute. Note that you can only reprint a label for a transaction that you have completed. Therefore, you must select the location and lot that you have already received. Printing a new location or a new lot is not allowed. Axacute will prevent you from entering quantity more than what you have received. Click on the Process button. Labels per box identify the number of labels for each box. Number of boxes identify the total number of boxes that requires the label. Quantity remaining is the quantity of the item remaining to generate into the label. Quantity per box is the quantity of the item in the box, which will be printed in the label. Key in the desired quantity, then click on the plus button to add the label. The label information will be displayed for confirmation. Next, click on the Print button.